Hi guys, how we doing? Today we're going to be looking at this V370 Patriot Viper gaming RGB headset, and we're going to test it out and see how well it performs. This video is sponsored by ALM Wholesale, laptop supplier to repair and retail stores worldwide. Okay, so here we have the Viper gaming headset, the V370. It's an RGB headset. It is made by Patriot, even though it doesn't specify on the front that it is, which we would like to have seen because more people know of the brand Patriot rather than Viper. But Viper is their gaming brand, a bit like Ford and Mustang. They don't tend to put the logo Ford on a Mustang and so forth. But here we go. So the front looks pretty nice. You can see part of the headset through the side. It's got 7.1 surround sound, ultra bass on there, and you've got a foldable mic as well. So let's have a look at the back. So on the back you've got basically most of the information you need, as again foldable mic, USB switch on there for ultra bass and volume wheel. You've also, or it looks like from the picture, it has got a nice red and black braided cable. So let's open this up and see what we've got. Okay, so we've got the headset. It looks pretty nice from initial looks. You've got that nice red and black effect in the ear cups. There we go. So first of all, let's have a look at some of the stuff that comes with it. We've got a, well, looks like a bag to keep them in, but it does actually have something in here. Let's have a look. What does it have? Oh, this looks like a couple of pair ear cups, probably depending on what you prefer. You can change them to something else in this bag. Just figure out what it is. I had to think then what it was actually for. It looked like I was going to be scraping some ice off of the car, but no, that's actually helps you get the ear cups off the actual headset. Also in the box, which didn't come out, here it is, we've got an envelope. So, and in this envelope, if it's like the previous Viper products we've looked at, we'll have the instructions and some nice stickers. So again we have the stickers, as we mentioned, which again, a couple inches by a couple of inches, and then you've got your basic instructions there. But the headset itself, as you can see, you've got your volume wheel here, you've got the on and off there for the bass. It's metallic plastic extenders on there, so hopefully they shouldn't break very easily. We found a lot of headsets, this area tends to break very easily. But to be honest, the build quality looks extremely good, and there's no jagged edges on them like we've seen with some others, and overall it looks pretty good. So I'm going to go plug this in, so bear with me a minute while I undo the packaging. Go. So this is a USB headset, so obviously if you want to plug it into a machine with a 3-inch mic, it's not going to happen. It's got to be a USB connection. So let's go plug it in. And the cable length, I would say on this one, is going to be around about 2 meters. So let's plug it in and have a look, see how it looks. Here we go. As you can see, the RGB is taking effect now. There you go, so it's flashing between all the different colours. I'm guessing when we download the actual program for the RGB, you'll be able to sync it up and make it a specific colour rather than it just randomly flashing. But otherwise it looks actually a very nice headset, very sturdy, nice stretch, fit people with a larger head, so I can't see anyone really having a problem with this, but we're going to test out the sound quality and then go from there.